Hey, what's up, guys? Donnie here from Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, I know some of you guys got to see this Syma X23W. Got to see the review of its stock. Okay, I did some modification here, as you guys can see. You know me, if you've watched my channel, I like to put FPV cameras on pretty much everything. The first thing I did was remove these little prop guards, which these are actually really easy. These caps pop off right here. These pop off, and the prop guard comes right off because they just slide right on there, see? And that little cap holds it on there, so you just pop that off, and then you just put the cap back on. So we eliminated that. All you need to do is just get a rubber band. I took this rubber band that I had. I got a little 350 milliamp battery. 3.7 volt, because you don't want to go any more than 5 volt or 5.5 or something like that volt for this camera. I took one of these FPV 3-in-1. This is the AKK BA3. So this one, I actually went and set the camera on 50. I guess I did 50 milliamps. I didn't need the full 200 because I'm going to keep it close. If it gets choppy, I may go and I may do the, the 200, but I think 50 milliwatts is plenty enough for what I need it for. And I took a little piece of black tape, put it on there for the camera to sit on, and then I just wrapped the rubber band around. I put a little piece of black tape on top of the camera so the rubber band wouldn't slide into the components here and split the casing apart. I didn't want that to happen. So I've done this before on the Syma X23W, and it worked great. I do suggest using one of the little Whoop batteries, which is half this size. They seem to work out a lot better, but at the moment I have it packed up right now because we're in the process of remodeling our place. So we're in a temporary place at the time. So this will work right now. I just took it up, and it does hold the weight. So I'll show you guys that right now. And then after I show you that, I'll go ahead and show you guys the footage from the FPV cam, and we'll do some FPV flying with the goggles. So, all right, guys, hey, stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I went ahead and armed the controller. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and take off. I'm going to put it in second rate for a moment, and here we go. And the altitude hold is working, guys. Look at that. How cool is that? Alright, guys, it'll definitely hold the weight. Look at that, guys. Definitely holds the weight, so that is cool. Well, we're going to go and do some FPVing with the goggles, so stay tuned for that. Donnie here. I just want to show you my quick setup here. I'm going to use the FPV goggles. These are the LS800Ds. I'll leave a link in the description. I'm not going to use the DVR on these because they're a little bit more choppier. I like to use my Eachine receiver. I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. I also bought a Fat Shark. This came with just a regular antenna. I bought a Fat Shark mushroom antenna that I'm going to use. This receiver is 150 channel. It's a really nice receiver. I love this thing, guys. I've gone 700 meters and had really light cutouts, just your typical little glitches, But other than that, it's a very good receiver. I like recording with my phone, so you guys will see that. Anyways, got the camera set up, so I'm going to put my goggles on. So stay tuned for the flight, guys. I'm going to go right out that door, right out to the apartment complex. Hopefully it doesn't start hailing, so stay tuned for the film, guys. Alright guys, man, that was pretty windy, so I couldn't really do anything there, guys. So I got a little bit of a flight, but it was getting ready to start hailing again. Plus, to the wind, it just kept blowing this thing around. But got a little bit of a flight, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. God bless, cheers, and happy flying.